The future of Lamborghini has officially arrived, and it's louder, faster, and more aggressive than ever before. Meet the incredible Lamborghini Temerario, the machine that replaces the legendary Lamborghini Huracán and pushes Lamborghini into a completely new era of performance and technology. And trust me, this is not just another supercar update, this is a revolution. At first glance, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario looks like something that escaped from the future. The design is sharper, wider, and more aerodynamic than anything Lamborghini has built before. Every line on this car has a purpose. Massive air intakes dominate the front, pulling air deep into the body to cool the new high-performance hybrid powertrain. The signature hexagonal LED daytime running lights immediately remind you that this machine belongs to the same aggressive family as the brutal Lamborghini Revuelto, yet the Temerario still carries its own unique identity. From the side, the car looks incredibly low and sculpted, with dramatic air channels carved into the doors and rear fenders. These are not just for style, they direct airflow to improve stability at insane speeds. Lamborghini engineers focused heavily on aerodynamics, making the Temerario more planted and more stable than the Huracán it replaces. The rear of the car is even more dramatic. A massive diffuser, aggressive exhaust layout, and futuristic hexagonal taillights create a look that is both terrifying and beautiful at the same time. But the real magic of the Temerario lies under the engine cover. Lamborghini has replaced the old naturally aspirated V10 with a completely new twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid system. This new engine produces mind-blowing performance numbers that push the limits of what a modern supercar can do. The V8 alone revs incredibly high for a turbo engine, screaming past 10,000 RPM, something almost unheard of in today's world of forced induction. Combine that with electric motors, and the total system power rockets beyond 900 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. More than 900 horsepower in a Lamborghini that is designed to be driven every single day. That kind of power launches the Temerario from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 2.7 seconds. Keep your foot down, and this monster keeps pulling all the way to a top speed that approaches 340 km per hour. That's not just fast, that's hypercar territory. The hybrid system doesn't just add power, it transforms the way the car drives. Electric motors provide instant torque, eliminating turbo lag and giving the Temerario explosive acceleration the moment you touch the throttle. It also allows the car to drive in pure electric mode for short distances, something that would have sounded impossible for a Lamborghini just a few years ago. Step inside the cockpit, and the futuristic feeling continues. The interior is heavily inspired by the Revuelto, featuring a fully digital driver display, a large vertical touchscreen, and a passenger display that lets your co-pilot monitor speed, performance data, and navigation. The cabin feels like the control center of a fighter jet rather than a traditional car. Everything is designed to keep the driver focused on performance. Lamborghini has also introduced a completely new generation of driving modes in the Temerario. These modes control the engine, electric motors, suspension, and aerodynamics to transform the personality of the car instantly. In one mode, the Temerario can be calm and comfortable enough for city driving. Switch to the most aggressive setting, and the car becomes an absolute track weapon ready to attack every corner with brutal precision. The chassis is also brand new. Lamborghini developed an advanced aluminum space frame that is stronger and lighter than before. Combined with cutting-edge suspension technology and all-wheel drive, the Temerario offers incredible grip and handling. Whether you're driving on a smooth racetrack or a winding mountain road, the car feels glued to the asphalt. Braking performance is just as insane as the acceleration. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, allowing the Temerario to slow down from extreme speeds with complete confidence. Lamborghini engineers designed the entire braking system to handle the enormous power of the hybrid drivetrain. Another huge focus for the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is technology. The car features advanced connectivity, real-time telemetry for track driving, and over-the-air software updates that can improve performance features over time. Lamborghini is blending traditional supercar excitement with modern digital innovation. But beyond the numbers and technology, the Temerario represents something bigger. It represents Lamborghini's future. As the automotive world moves toward electrification, Lamborghini is proving that hybrid technology doesn't have to be boring. Instead, it can make supercars even more thrilling, more powerful, and more dramatic than ever before. When you hear the twin-turbo V8 roar to life, assisted by the instant punch of electric power, you realize that the spirit of Lamborghini is still alive and stronger than ever. The Temerario is not just replacing the Huracán, it is redefining what the next generation of supercars will look like. This machine is faster, smarter, and more extreme than anything Lamborghini has built in this class before. It combines raw performance, cutting-edge hybrid technology, futuristic design, and the unmistakable drama that only Lamborghini can deliver. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario isn't just a new model. It's the beginning of a new chapter in the history of one of the most legendary supercar brands on the planet. And if this is the future of Lamborghini, then the future looks absolutely insane.